Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on your dark mode on Melbet. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Melbet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Melbet apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see setting option at top right corner. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the background option. Once you click over there, you can finally see the dark theme option. Just turn it on and you will be able to turn on your dark mode successfully. So basically this is how you can turn on your dark mode on Melbet, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.